Greetings YouTube. So I don't exactly know where this is all going to go. I had some fairly major automotive repairs I needed to do to a 2005 Buick Rendezvous. And so first things first, just a mini review of this engine support from Harbor Freight. I like it pretty well. This is the first car I've used it on. I bought it new a few weeks ago. What I do like is it has these rubber mounts on each side of it, and that's nice. And what's nice is these end pieces here swivel so they can fit. As you can see here, this is going rather diagonally. This is a very short hood line, so it kind of has to do that to clear things. I've also taken a piece of lumber here to prop up the hood after I remove the pneumatic pistons. So to give you a nice couple sections of chain here, and I was able to use the lift points on this 3400 pretty common V6 from the early to mid 2000s, found in many things, actually late 90s to early 2000s. So far this engine has been remarkably stable. I guess maybe one of the things helping it is the fact that in this particular configuration you have the these torque mounts up front here, so that decreases the degree of freedom for which the engine can actually move. But I'm quite taken with this. The price is definitely right. It was less than $100 before tax, and I think after tax it was still less than $100. And it was quite easy to use, and I felt that just taking and dropping the transmission, and while I was doing that, tightening up the threaded rod portions here, that I got it just to where the chain felt a little snug, was adequate, and it turns out it was just perfectly fine. My guessing and intuition seemed to be good. Also, I will say that I successfully cleared the edge here of the cowl with the chain. I didn't want that to bind up, and fortunately everything is kind of set up just fine. So that's the mini review as part of a bigger video, or maybe a couple of videos that I'm going to do on this particular vehicle. Thanks.